As you see, Night and Fam, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. And yes, I scrouched it because I already positioned the camera on the tripod to make this video, and I don't want to have to move it and then put it back and have to set it up all over again. If a YouTuber or a content creator, you know what I mean? I don't want to, I really don't want to take this off the tripod, hold it, and then have to put it back on the tripod. So that's why the intro is like this, right? But anyway, you all can see this cute fruit. No, it's a vegetable, right? This cute vegetable next to me here, it's a breadfruit. And today, as you all can see by the title, we are going to make oil dong. No, I'm not putting pigtail in it because my mother don't eat meat. So, we are going to make some oil dong. I never make it before, so trial and error here for sis, right? Trial and error. So, without further ado, let's get into this vlog. I'm recording. Yeah. I'm gonna cut off this stuff here. You know, like bad at cutting stuff, you know. Real bad. I had to cut this to peel it. So anyway, we're going to cut this and then peel it, right? And I'll get back to you. Alright, so everything is peeled, as you all can see, ready to be washed, and I'm going to cut them in smaller pieces because obviously I don't want these big pieces in my pot now. So I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces and set them aside, and then I'll move on to the seasonings. Seasonings, okay? Cool. Okay, so I'm going to start on the seasoning. I have some cheddar bennies, some chives, whatever they want to call it, celery, an onion, a half dead pimento. I find in my fridge. I thought I had more, but I don't. Some garlic, and some of the spiky thing. I can't remember the name of it. Some kind of thyme. I don't know the name of it. And this. I can't remember the name of the seed. If you all remember the name of it, comment down below for me, please, because I can't remember the name of it. Okay, so I'm going to wash all of these and clean them and cut them up to put them in the pot. Yeah. Alright, so there we have it. Seasoning all chopped, ready to go in the pot. Ready to go in the pot. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Look at it. You're ready to go in the pot. So that's what I'm going to show you now. I'm going to start putting the things together in the pot to start to cook the oil dong. Let me hope this come out good because, as I say, never make oil dong before, right? So let me see. Okay, focus for me, please. So first we're gonna put the coconut milk. Of water in there, but I'm going to add another pack of coconut milk. So coconut milk up in this piece because you all know coconut milk is the heart of the oil dong, right? So we're going to put the coconut milk and I'm going to add the rest of seasonings and get this on the stove. Let's add in our green seasoning, our green seasoning, our green seasoning. Do you put carrot in oil dong? I don't know. I'm asking. If you always put carrot in your oil dong, comment down below and let me know because I don't know. So yeah, so our green seasoning is in. I'm going to put some salt and pepper and stuff and get this on. So you all can see the seasoning is in and I added a bay leaf. I'm considering adding some turkey bone from Christmas simply because mommy said she doesn't want any oil because she's already cooking.
So I think I might add my turkey bone, well, some of my turkey bone from Christmas, and let it go in there and give it a nice flavor. But I'm going to put this on the stove, sorry. I'm going to put this on the stove now and let it start cooking. Okay, people's meat. So I did add the turkey bone, and I had like pieces of turkey meat and stuff. I did add that to it, and I added some more coconut milk powder because just don't have the actual coconut now. So next best thing, coconut milk powder. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more water and then combine all of this and let it cook. Okay. Well, it's starting to cook. All you see the little bubbles. All you see the little bubbles. It's starting to cook. So it's looking good. Look at all the seasoning. All it looking good. And as I said before, if all this for carrots and all the oil down, comment down below because I never see my mother do that. So I don't know if it is really put in there, but it's cooking. It's cooking. And the baby in the background crying. Sorry, but it's cooking. It's looking good. Oh, it's smelling so good. I wish I could smell it through the screen, but it's smelling so good. So good. Yo, I'm having trouble focusing this camera and I don't know why, but look at it. My oil down boiling. It's boiling. It's cooking. Okay, Island fam, so as y'all could see, my breadfruit oil down is done, looking all milky and nice with the seasonings on fire. Oh yeah, it's smelling so good. It's smelling so good. I'm talking so I'm mouth watering. It's smelling real good. I can't wait to eat this. I can't wait to eat this. Okay? Okay? So here's what. I'm going to end the vlog now. And I'm going to eat this. So comment down below if you all try this or if you all like oil down at all. If you all have a different way of making oil down, please comment down below and let me know. But y'all, anyway, bye.